Hello and welcome. If you've ever felt nervous introducing yourself in English, or maybe you've struggled to set up a meeting with colleagues, this lesson is for you. By the end of today's mini lesson, you'll know exactly how to introduce yourself and schedule a meeting in English. And this is just a small taste of my full course, Business English for Beginners, where I guide you step by step through 8 essential lessons on real workplace communication. But before we begin, I'll be honest with you. I'm not thrilled to remind you about this, but more than 90% of people who watch my channel aren't subscribed yet. If you enjoy my lessons, please hit that subscribe button. It's such a simple thing, but it really helps me keep my channel going and bringing you more content. Now, let's dive in. Let's start with the very first skill, introduction. Imagine this situation. 2 colleagues meet for the first time at an international conference.
Good morning, my name is Emma Roberts. I work as a sales manager at Microsoft.
Good morning, Emma. I'm David Wilson, the new marketing specialist at Google.
Now, let's break it down. First, the greeting. Good morning. Second, the name. My name's Emma Roberts. Third, the job title and company. I work as a sales manager at Microsoft. Now, repeat after me. Good morning. My name is. I work as. At. And don't forget the verb to be. Listen and repeat. I'm a manager. She's a specialist. They are from France. Great work. Now that you can introduce yourself, let's move to the next skill, scheduling meetings. Here is a short example.
Hi, David. Could we schedule a meeting to discuss the new project?
Sure, Emma. When are you available?
I'm free on Wednesday at 3 p.m.
Perfect. See you then.
Now, let's look at some useful phrases for scheduling. When are you available? How about? Let's meet at. See you then. Now you try. Repeat after me. I'm free on Monday morning. How about Thursday afternoon? Let's meet in the conference room. Fantastic! Let's put these skills together with a quick speaking practice. Imagine you're at a conference. Introduce yourself like this. Good morning, my name is. I am at. I'm from. Now, schedule a meeting. Say, could we meet on? At. Great, see you then. Excellent job. Today, you learned 2 essential workplace skills, introducing yourself and scheduling meetings. And this is just the beginning. Inside my Business English for Beginners course, you'll find 8 full lessons with dialects, grammar, vocabulary, and speaking practice on business correspondence, telephone communication, negotiations, presentations and reports, and much more. Click the link below to join the course today and start transforming your career with confident business English. Thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.